Yep, that's the current situation. Actually, it's warmed up. It was -7 when I woke up at around 7:30 this morning. So, I said in my last video I'd make a Christmas video. So, what we're going to do today, since it's so brutally cold, we're going to put this down and get my gloves on. We're going to do some cold starts. Maybe. Want to see if I can get inside of my white truck. I may have to get a hairdryer out and thaw it out. We had rain all day yesterday and in the 40s, and then we had what they call a quick freeze. Come on out, girl. Oh, that's cold. My heavier coveralls, the zipper's broke. Yeah, I need another jacket underneath these coveralls. If this opens right up, I bet it won't. Hey, it did open. Oh. Now, this 2016 should start good, but the battery is the original one, and I'm starting to notice on cool mornings it don't sound like it has the oomph it used to. Oh, turn your windshield wipers off before you do that. Let's see what she does. Hey, battery's better than I thought it would be. That wasn't bad at all. That was easy. I knew this would be an easy start as long as you got battery. That battery was, whoo, she was dragging. So, we're just going to let this thing thaw out real good. I do know these F-150s, the doors like to freeze. I bet it won't shut. Nope. Ah, it did shut. One time it did it so bad, we got so much rain, we had so much, and it froze, that I had to hold the door shut all the way to work. Alright, I'm going to put another jacket on before I attempt to start the 66 F100. Okay, I'm a little snow blinded here. Got me an extra jacket. Got me an extra jacket underneath of my coveralls here. Nice heavy sweat jacket. And I like, in this kind of weather, I like to do the heavy toboggan. I cannot see the screen, so I don't know how well this is going to turn out. With the hoodie over top of the toboggan, it blocks the wind from my neck. Really warms me up. Now, in Muddy Paws McGee here doesn't track mud in the house. Where would you find mud at below 0 temperatures? Huh? Where would you find mud in below 0 temperatures? She decided to dig for a mole, and her feet were packed with ice and mud. Got a little drifting here. We didn't get the snow that a lot of people were supposed to get. Look where she dug. Oh, my lips are that's windy out. Maybe just leave it on my phone. I'm going to cover my face up. Did you get anything? I doubt it. Idiot. Whew. What if the tractor started? Yeah, my roof is leaking. I got to redo my lean-to. Look at that. Ain't leaking now. I made the mistake of thinking an almost flat roof would seal with shingles. Should not have done that. That looks like a 2023 problem. More like July of 23. Alright. I don't think this 6-volt's going to cut the mustard. Keys aren't in it. Well, I said I was going to start the 66 Ford up. I didn't mean the tractor. The 66 F100 is in here. So we'll be kind of cheating. I don't know what the temperature is in here. Oh. I'm getting a small sample of what the Canadians get every year, almost all winter, I guess. And this is the part where you'll be telling me you don't know what real cold is. You're right. This is cold to me. I know you guys got it rougher winter-wise. think our wind chills are supposed to be negative 20 something now. And it's still windy. I seriously doubt that this 6-volt will start. If it does, it will blow me away. Oh, that did not sound good. No, let's not even try that. I might put a block heater on it overnight. Oh, that 6-volt battery, give the poor girl a break, would you? A 6-volt battery that is about 3 to 4 years old. That's about all you get out of 6-volt batteries nowadays. Now, let's see. That's below 0 according to the old thermometer. Now, what's in here? Whew. I should put a charger on the race car batteries. They should be in the basement. Oh, it's 27 in here. Huh. Wow. Which I did run the furnace for a little bit last night. All right. See what she does. I need to haul some firewood in, and this year I filled this truck up with firewood and I pull it in here to keep it dry. Let's see what she does. All right. No key. Hang on. Okay, this will not be an official -4 degree cold start because it's 27 in the garage. Make sure it's not in gear. No. Still not bad. Uh-oh, flooded? Choked too much. Had it completely sealed off, I guess. This carburetor still is not right. It is cold. If that carburetor was right, it wouldn't be doing this. Come on, girl. Yeah, this carburetor, something still ain't right. It's still popping and crackling. It's worse when it's really cold. So. But, hey, she started. Right. Not bad. Ain't she pretty in the snow? Wow, I couldn't hear it running. Had to check. Whew. Already feels good in here. We'll just let her thaw out. Oh, my face is cold. Going to get windburn. I'm going to walk backwards because of the wind. What? We'll try the tractor again? Huh? I'm pretty sure it won't. Just wanted to make one last video before Christmas and New Year's. I want to say thanks to everybody who watched all year. Hope you enjoyed the racing. At least we had almost full season this year, and we even went some rounds and won a little money out of it all. And after January, hello, oh, there's that bird again. Hello. How about if I step out of here and you leave the garage? It's in there getting warm. She won't leave. She don't want to leave. You're going to poop all over my car and my truck too, ain't you? Huh? Alright, well, I'm not going to shut you in here. You interrupted my video. I don't blame you. I know you're cold. Well, I'll let you stay in here until I'm done. But anyway, what was I saying? So, yeah. I'm off all week until after New Year's, and I'm going to get this rear end back in this. Don't know if I'll film any of that. And yeah, we got to pull the engine out. We're going to make sure the bearings are wearing good. I'm tempted to just leave it together. It ran so well, but it has been since 2016 or 2017 since I've had this engine apart. So there goes the bird again. There you go. It finally left. But I think it's time to check it out just to be sure. I think my camera's doing weird stuff in the cold, or is that my eyes? I don't know. But anyway, I just want to say Merry Christmas, Happy New Year, stay warm, stay safe, bundle up if you go out in this stuff, and thanks for watching.